So with baby adjustments, real light. Not like how I just adjusted her mom. It's not the same. But what you're hearing over there, we definitely don't put them on the drop table.
Not ready for that yet.
Not ready for that yet. Next week, right? 7 weeks. So if you got a baby or a kid that you know of that's having some colic issues, even some digestion issues, huh? That's fine. They're not gonna hear nothing on him. You might want to bring them in to get adjusted. They can't sleep. Torticollis. Let's see how this goes. Only way to know if it works is ask the mom. So she comes back. When can you come back?
A week.
A week. So when Misty comes back from a week, she's gonna let us know if what we did worked or if she needs her money back.
No refunds.
No refunds though.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.